Good day to all. Glad to have all of you here on SG Dr. Wellness. It's Coach Alvin again. Chips are convenient comfort snacks that can be bought from virtually any grocery store. You can see various genres of chips, with potato chips being the most sought after. One of the more popular alternatives to potato chips, however, will have to be tortilla chips, which sometimes can take up as much shelf space as potato chips in the store. So how exactly are tortilla chips made, and are they a healthier alternative? We will discuss more in this episode. Before we begin, we will totally love your support if you could hit the subscribe button to our channel now. Let's go! Tortilla chips are made of corn dough called masa, where it is pressed into thin sheets and cut into triangular shapes. They are then deep fried in vegetable oil before seasoning powder is added to the chips. So, are tortilla chips healthier than potato chips? Let's find out by going through some of their nutrition facts. In terms of calories, potato chips tend to be a little more calorie dense than tortilla chips, where 100 grams of potato chips has 536 calories as compared to a slightly lesser 465 calories from tortilla chips. 1 point to tortilla chips here. So instead of comparing the total amount of fats, I would like to zoom in to focus just on the trans fat content of these two snacks. Just to note, any form of trans fats in your food is detrimental to your health in the long run, as they are the main culprits in raising bad cholesterol and ultimately cardiovascular disease. There are trace amounts in both potato and tortilla chips, with 0.2 grams per bag of tortilla chips compared to 0.1 grams per bag in potato chips. Since there should not be any trans fats in the food that you consume, I will put this as a tie, 0 points for both. Next will be vitamins and minerals. To be honest, I would not be recommending these snacks to be your source of nutrients. Similar to all junk foods, unfortunately, both bags of chips contain almost zero vitamins and minerals, as they are just mainly simple carbohydrates. So this will be 0 points for both again. Last but not the least will be how salty they are. Just to put into context, the recommended daily sodium intake is set at 2,300 milligrams, and per 100 grams of tortilla chips has about 305 milligrams, while Mr. Potato has about 480 milligrams. The lower the sodium content, the better. Well, this gives tortilla chips the edge. 1 point for Team Tortilla. So there we have it. Even though tortilla seems to be a healthier option, I would not binge it, as it is still considered a junk food. If you were to scrutinize the nutrition figures I just mentioned, tortilla chips are actually quite the same as potato chips in terms of their nutrition content. Typically, for tortilla chips, people might tend to consume with dipping sauce, which will increase the overall calories and sodium content. When choosing your next pack of tortilla chips, check the nutrition facts and pick the ones with the lowest calories, sodium and trans fat content. Always consume in moderation. Hope you have learned more from this episode. Until the next time, stay safe and stay healthy.